Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is TUAN SYAHMI, and today I will show you guys a demo for the Unikl link app for the academic section. So first of all, this is the main page of Unikl link app, and as you can see, there's many sections here, so we'll go through them one by one. So for the my course section, as we can see, this section will display all of our courses, so from the October 2024 to the October 2023. So if we click on the section here, we can see all of our courses that we take. So first of all, we can see that the subject names, the subject code, and their credit hour respectively. So we can also see the previous semester. So that's pretty much all of it. So for the let's say that we want to credit transfer, we just click on here, and we can see that our request here has been processed or not. So let's say that we click on the study panel, we want to view the study panel. They will bring us here, and here we can see all of the details for the study panel. So for the next one, we have my result. So when we click on it, we can see the result page. So we can see for the previous semester. If we click on it, we can see what grade that we got, and the subject, their credit hour, and the subject code. So we can also see every single course, every single semester that we take. So for the next one, for the timetable one, here we can see all of our class. Let's say that we have class on Monday, so we just click on the Monday, and we can see our classes here. They will show the class here, and we can also see like if it's online or physical class. So let's say for the Monday one, we have at 10:30 a.m. we have a software requirement engineering class, and it's an online class. Meanwhile on Tuesday, we can see that at 3:30 p.m. we have software requirement engineering class, in this at level 19, room 07. So we can see pretty much for every single day here: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, pretty much everything. So for the next section, we have academic calendar. So if we click on it, it will show us the basically a calendar for our current semester. So we can see that currently it's week 10, since it's December 29, and you can see every single week here. We can also see that revision week starts at 27 January, and AZIM week starts at 1st February. So for the next one, we have semester registration. So for the semester registration one, it is currently closed, and we can't do much of it. It will usually open when you are about to register for the next semester. So for the next one, we are going to look at course registration. For the attendance section, we will have HUSSAIN explain about it. So for the course registration, we have it's currently closed, since course registration usually opens during week 1 and to week 5 of the semester. So for the last part, we have a GPA calculator, CGPA calculator. My bad. So if we click on it, we can see that uh, we need to put our name, our student ID, our institute where we are from. So Unikl in this case, Unikl MIT in this case. For the program, just put your what you program that you take. For me is in BSE. So we can see our previous semester performance here. You just put our info here. Just put your CGPA here, your academic standing, and if we click on the next one, we will see the expand current semester performance. Here you can input your current semester performance, your courses here, what grade that you expect here, their values, and their credit, their point values, is it a repeat subject or not, and the repeat grade. So if we calculate all that, we will get our CGPA calculator. So that's pretty much all of it for the academic section. Thank you.
Bismillah ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I will explain the attendance page of active application and the civil. I'll explain them one by one. You reach to every design from this page. First, if you go to the attendance section, you will be here. You will be sent here, and pretty simple. It's the same, almost identical, but it's like an improved design from the original design. So after this, after you go here, you can notice you have an attendance here of 90% instead of 100%. So you want to check which class you are absent in. So you just press this. You just press here, and you will go here. You will have all this. So here we have like 10 classes. You are absent in 3rd of March, as you can see here. Pretty clear. So you can't be mistaken it for another class. Let's say 26, 24. You have to search. No, it's pretty clear. Okay, so the new design you can see here. This is white and white. No, here you have like section for and a background for it for the semester courses. This will go on to the every other page that has this. And you see here, you can notice that this color, this background is not the same as this, but this is more clear for the user. You can see, and it's like it's almost like background. Also, if you can notice, it's like here circular, here is not here a square design, which is consistent. But here you can see we change that. Moving on, we have two buttons here, same as the original, but it will lead to the same result, but will act differently because there are enhancements for the user experience. So let's say you want to scan your attendance. You press self-attend. Will not send you to another page instead of the original or the current version. Instead, you will have this pop-up camera. It will pop up for you. It scans as the normal page, as normal. But instead of sending you to another page, you will have the same page. You are here. You press self attend. This will come. In the original, let's compare. This is the original. You was here. You self attend. They will send you to this page. After that, they will send you to this page if it's successful. If not successful, they will send you to this page. But in the new design, you'll be on the same page because this function, students use it almost like every day, and they will use it usually. So instead of sending you to two different pages, you have the same page. You just press self attend. You point the camera to the code, QR code. It will scan. If it's successful, you will have the info of the lecture you are self attending. And if it's not successful, let's say the QR code expired, it will say it's expired. So you have this more convenient for the student, because this is almost a daily, it's a routine for the student. So now we move on to the next button, which is leave application. It's leave application. When you press leave application in the normal, you have this page. In the enhanced version, you will be sent to this page. You can see we used this space instead of like wide, making it wide. We have this total absence for the student, and this subject you have it here with the attendance for you to when you check your attendance. It's the same as here. We covered that instead of having this design. So this in this design, the old design, you have one page only, right? As you can see, it's only one page. But as you can see, as you said, we want to enhance the experience. But this is enhancing the experience with having two pages, two different pages. Why? Because in the original, you have this section, this section, this section, this button. So when you want to have, let's say you have data analysis, you press here, you press on data analysis, then you choose the date of which you want to check if you are the date if you want to check the status of your attendance. So here you have the date. Let's say a lecture didn't update or put all these new classes for upcoming classes. It will show it's not updated. Or some lecturers have it like your absence, but you're not absence because the class didn't take place. Okay, let's say it's today is 23rd 23rd of December. Okay, you press on 30th of December. After that, you'll see here not updated. You don't know because you have to check every time. Instead of this, you have this design. You can see total absence. You don't have to check these. You make a search for it. No, you only check. It's only check. It will only show your absence. So here you have attendance percent in every subject. Instead of having this, here it's better to have different pages, unlike here, because here no need for it. Here you need it because it will enhance your experience. It will be easier for the user and more convenient. So let's go back here. I found this now. We already explained this. So here the new design. You can see here the history. We'll go to this later after applying for leave. Let's say in this example you have an absence in one class instead of what we already been going through. You can just apply. Press here. Apply leave for this. Now we press apply. You will be sent here. So as we said, this is the original. This is not the original. This is the second page of the applying for leave, as we said here. So here you will have instead of having semester, you will just have like applying leave for this exact class. So if you don't know this code, which subject is this, you will have it here. Here the info and this percent. So here the similarities here are leave region here, as you see here and here, and attaching supporting this document and renode. So here, when you apply for medical leave, let's say you don't have family matters or others, you have medical leave. But let's say you want to change from medical leave to family matters. Here, see, you press this, you press into this, so that you will press OK or cancel it. Cancel it. Cancel the change. You don't want to change. You press this by mistake. So this will be inconvenient and not as smooth as you want to be. Here in the design, we have this. You just, it will have the medical leave as default. You press here, you press this space. It will have give you this. You just press family matters. It will change to family matters. You press another. It will change. Instead of having OK and cancel and, like this type of pop up, you need to press OK or cancel. You can't press here to close this. So you see here, you can submit here as the same as here, and here is history, leave history. So here we have the example for it. It's almost it's the same, but different. So here, if you see this original page or current version, clear difference between this and this and this and this and this. But here you can see it's more clearer with this background for the user, and you see here approved. Here you can see it's already there is a mark. It's approved. There is no remark found. If Alexa want to add a remark, let's say denied. Here you see, if it's denied due to upcoming exams. So this is denied. So in the history, you can see here, leave applied one only. Session here and 4. So informative for the user instead of this unuseful space, as you can see it. That's it.
Hello, my name is Mohammed AZIM bin HASRIZAL. So I'm gonna show you how do I create the Unikl fact page. The factual page is actually very simple page. When you start out a page, it will show you this page first. So when I started it, I just start with a blank canvas, a blank frame. So when I press F, it will straight away show me all the iPhone components that I can use for these examples. I just straight away press iPhone 16, so it will show me all the rectangular shape for iPhone 16. So when I started for factual, I just started very simply. I just from down here, as you can see, I started with a rectangle with the same color as the Unikl page. Where they go team 4. Then I straight away just look for any icons that is similar to Unikl link app as well. So from the home page, from the home icon, bell icon, and the search icon, as well as the text for facts and back and a back text for back. For the component, for the components, rectangle components here, all are similar, but except the logo from the original Unikl app is all actually is from is different logo. So I try to find a very similar logo icon as well, but very Gen Z, as you can say, from academic, my financial, accommodation and facilities, convocation, student activities, financial assistance, and ICT service, and others. So this is this is the page from the start when I started. So when the next page here, I just try to show you how it works. So from here, it's still the same, but only difference is when we touch the academic button here, it will straight away, I straight away came out with all these words from review all, student records, course registration, attendance, credit transfer, examination, and result convocations. So um, s- so from the prototype. So when I press the prototypes, it will straight away show me the iPhone 16 iPhone. So it straight away I will show you how it works. So this is the Unikl factual page, as you can see. So when I press the next button, it will show me how when I press it, the academic view will show, and when I press it again, it will automatically will come back up. So the next page I do is ICT as well. So ICT as well, because I just want to show you how it works and how what is the most important that I need to show. So from here, it's still the same, just difference is this time I use the ICT service. So let's say when we click the the click the touch screen, it will show all the panels here, from view all, emails of Office 360, help desk, Wi-Fi, office service, and student card. For this instance, I choose email and Office 360. So let's say when we hit the touch screen for email and Office, it will automatically show the next page here. This is the example of if we choose the email Office 360, it will automatically show all the panels that it will from the page, from what is 360, what is 360 Office 365, why should you use 365, and etc. So this is the example, and the next page as well. I just show you from this page. I just show you what I'm working on is how to obtain Unikl ID password for first time. Yeah, so this is what will come out. So I've already prototype connect all with prototypes. So I just run the page. As you can see, from facts, you see how it works, from open and close to ICT, open and close. You can see as well how it works. Then when it goes back to ICT, you will straight away, let's say if we click the email and Office 360, it will straight away show the email and Office 360 page, from what is Office 365 and whatnot. And as well, if I click again, it will show you one of the panels, from how to obtain Unikl ID password for the first time. And this is the example how the students can check the email, how to log in with their Unikl account email. So, and as well, if I click again, it will close, and I click again, it will straight away go back to the original page for ICT and service. If I click again, it will close back again. So that's all for facts. So Unikl app page. So what I did as well is Unikl Unikl My Financial as well. But the Unikl My Financials is only one page, so I can show you from. I try to modernize the design, but I try to make it simple as well, from bigger words, My Financial, to unique for the icons logo as well, for this one. So this is it. So I started with rectangle, all the text and all the rectangle, just trying to follow all the colors from the Unikl Link app, the original Unikl Link app. So So, and lastly is the final one is a view financial statements and the PDF logo here. So that's all from me. Thank you very much.